What's going on, guys? It's Neat Heat, and today we got a pair of 1999 Jordan 4s.
Look at what that heat.
The first step is to unstitch the toe cap and then start slowly dissecting the shoes until we get a clean base to work with. So what we have to do is take off all of the old crumbled midsole that is still lingering on the uppers. Then after that we have to take care of the nubuck that is still there, right where the midsole is going to sit. Now with this process, you have to be very careful not to scratch the uppers. I suggest using a plastic scraper. In this scenario, I'm a little bit more experienced, so I am going to be using a screwdriver to get that perfect line. Now that the uppers are all clean, we can get ready to clean the bottom sole, getting off all that caked on midsole and then putting it in the light box. It is now time to glue together the midsole to the bottom. They are both clean and prepped. I do have to paint a little bit on the midsole when they're all glued, but that's no big. They are all glued, bonded together, and clamped. Now it's time to put glue on the uppers. We have to be very careful for this toque, because if any glue gets on the uppers, it will 100% damage it. the top cure for about 2 hours, and then I clamped it together. Really close to being done. The base of the shoe is glued down, which means all we have are touch-ups and then repainting the midsole. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the final result, and if you need anything restored, hit up my Instagram at neat_heat23.